Hey there, everyone. Hope everyone's doing good. This is Doug with Aytwit Engineering. And if you missed my previous episode, I was going over my driveway project failure and how it's not really a failure because I'll just do something with all these rocks. But I did record some of the stacking that I showed off in that video, in that walk and talk. And I thought I'd just talk over this little fast forward here, just 5 minutes of me making these cool little pyramids. Talk about the logistics of making some kind of natural stone driveway or patio or walkway or whatever. So I say logistics because this, I think, was the most work of the whole thing, is gathering and finding, gathering, moving, organizing all of these rocks. I mean, as far as physical effort goes, calorie burnt, I gotta believe it was by far the most work of anything. What I'm doing here, stacking these rocks, this is, let me see, the fourth time I have moved all of these rocks, and I estimate the total weight to be about 10 tons. So yeah, I've moved 10 tons of stone 4 times. And looking back, it's not like I could have done things more efficiently. First, I had to gather them all in my driveway, just in random piles. Then I had to organize them a bit better. Then I had to lay them out because I realized, I don't even know if I have enough to cover my driveway. So I had to lay them out roughly fitting together to make sure I had the 600 square feet necessary. And then I had to, because we're ultimately moving and I'm not completing the natural stone driveway project at this time, I have to stack them in my garage for house showing. And then I have to move them for fifth time to a storage location, and then I have to move them again to wherever we end up, and whatever project I end up doing with these stones, because they're super nice stones. Like I said, 10 tons, and I think like a few $1,000s. I was on the phone with local masonry supply company, kind of asking what they would do, because like as far as storage and transportation and everything. And I, told her like about the rocks I had. I showed her a picture. She's like, oh hell yeah, you want to make sure you have those in a secure location. They're worth thousands and thousands of dollars. I was like, wow, okay. She was the only person that was like totally on board with my insanity about these rocks. Everyone else is like, why didn't you just throw them in the woods? Like, what are you doing? So yeah, these stacks, like I said, I made mostly for house showing, just to have things organized a little better. I mean, they're also really cool. I didn't intend on any like coolness factor out of these pyramids, but I've had so many people come up to the house, whether it's delivery people, plumbers, electricians, all the people coming and going from my house because of getting it ready for sale, and everyone is struck by the stone pyramids. There's something primal, some primal reaction. The most significant case was this delivery guy coming up. He had the mask on, he's all hunched over, he's miserable, it's the end of his shift, and my garage is open, and he notices the rocks, and he instantly lights up. Like his posture changes. He takes down the mask and like talk, and ask me what those rocks are for, and I was like so taken aback because his whole persona changed so suddenly. Like I was like, usually I'm very enthusiastic talking about the rocks, but I was like caught off guard. So I was like, I mumbled something like, I don't, the driveway walkway project or something. I kind of like dampened his enthusiasm a bit. But yeah, these stone pyramids are really cool. I mean, you can see how I'm constructing them here, and there's actually more I didn't record in total. But logistics are a bitch. So make sure if you're doing a similar project, plan ahead so you don't have to move things as much as I did. That's about it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.